Okay, so guys, I really wanna tell you something very precious here. Don't skip this video, don't scroll, don't skip, watch it carefully. It's just a matter of 3 to 4 minutes. Please watch it. I promise you are going to get a great lesson from this. So, what happened to me recently was really my perspective changing. Growing up, I always believed that boys' friendship is better than girls' friendship. But we cannot forget this thing that that boy whom you consider your best friend, that boy is going to propose you just after a few months. We cannot neglect that. Okay. So now I have experienced both of the friendship, girls' friendship, boys' friendship, but especially today I want to talk about girls' friendship only. So in our society, there's a saying that girls cannot be friend, or they say that girls are always jealous with another girl. And growing up, I also believed in that idea that boys friendship is great, girls friendship is not good, they are like always jealous, they cannot be happy with you. I also believe that, but ever since I have started my YouTube channel, my this kind of perspective has changed. Let me tell you how. Because most of the half of the crowd on my channel is girls, women. Most of the people who join my classes, they are women, they are girls, and they support me like crazy. That's where my perspective started shifting. Now I tell you the truth. Why we always girls think that we girls cannot be friend? Because this is a patriarchal thing. This is a patriarchal thing which is happening in our male dominated society. I tell you one thing, an example I give you. If two boys are fighting, the society says it's just boys' behavior. That's why they are fighting. And now, on the other hand, if two girls are fighting, people say that girls can't maintain friendship. They are jealous. They cannot be happy. My God, the same behavior is there, but different perspectives. This is patriarchy. I am not saying that I always got good experience in girls' friendship. Most of the time, I have given my best in girls' friendship, but in return, I always got jealousy. Most of the time, I got jealousy in return. And that's where I got this perspective that girls' friendship is not good, they are always jealous. But now, when I look back to that perspective, I tell to myself that who the hell I am to say that? Just because I am surrounded by that small circle, how can I judge the big population of girls? How can I judge all the friendship of girls? It's always about insecure girls. They themselves, their life is miserable. No goals, no purpose, only gossip. Only they can feel jealous with you. Otherwise, if you are achieving something, you are becoming successful, they get inspiration from you. They don't feel jealous. They even motivate you. They feel that if I am not able to do it, at least somebody is doing that. They feel like that. And that is true. And that's what I experience. I always had this perspective, like girls' friendship is really not good. But ever since I have started my YouTube channel, my perspective started shifting. Whenever I am not active on YouTube, the ladies message me on WhatsApp, they call me, they DM me, they comment me, and they say that, why Mamta, what happened? Why are you not posting? We are waiting for your videos. You are motivating us. Where are you? I mean, this love is just priceless. And unconditionally they are doing this. My channel's name is Mamta Inspires. But see here, I am not the only one who's inspiring them, motivating them. They are also motivating me, inspiring me. I'm very, very lucky to have these women in my life. I mean, there is no any blood relation. We never met even. We are just connected on social media, and still there is a strong connection. Why? Because we want to see each other successful. We want that we come out from that conservative background. So that is girl power. Please forget this kind of perspective that girls cannot be friends. They can be. So that's the thing I wanted to share, a very small message. So that's the perspective I wanted to share in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting me. Bye bye.